Truck Month, yes, it's here at New Wave Ford with the largest inventory in the area. We have 45 new F-150s sitting on our lot with more arriving daily. Now is the time to get into a new truck with a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and rebates are at their best. We're here to sell cars, trucks, and SUVs. We will prove it. We will not be beat. We strive on customer satisfaction, giving you the best car buying experience that you've ever had with unbeatable prices at New Wave Ford, Highway 141, Coon Rapids.